Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Icon Contra 2 leather jacket. The Icon Contra 2 leather jacket is available in two versions, a standard and a perforated. Today we're showing you the perforated version. Retail price is $295. This is a hybrid leather, textile, and mesh jacket. Icon brought a lot of different materials together in this sport riding package. Let's dive right into sizing and fit. This offers their sport fit, okay? I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 196 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size large right now in the Contra 2. Give you a sense for how it fits. I would say it's just a little bit to the baggy side. This isn't really like a Euro fitted style jacket. It's more Americanized. It does feel really good when I have it on. There's plenty of operating room to move around on the bike and operate the controls. That's going to be a mixture of the cut as well as the motion panels they have stitched into the jacket. The perforated version looks like it'll flow. Plenty of air to keep you cool. It also offers a removable vest liner that you can pull out. When it's cooler, keep the vest liner in. Obviously, when it's hotter, take the vest liner out, so it kind of allows a little more flexibility with use dependent upon temperatures outside and riding conditions. D3O Armor, CE Certified soft shell. This stuff is top shelf, no doubt about it. Full package, elbow forearm, shoulder, as well as a CE certified back pad. In the second part of this video, we'll take the coat apart and give you a close look at all of those items. Features, benefits. There are arm adjusters, bicep and forearm, both sides of the coat. Waist adjusters for volume, right? And this is like motocross boot buckle style, and this is something that Contra is kind of famous for, right? They started that with the Contra textile way back, and they've been moving it forward consistently in the line. It's functional, and it also looks cool. Hand warmer styles, zippered storage pockets, both sides externally. We'll show you the internal storage in the second part of this video. Also like to point out in this area and here as well, you have reflectives that are kind of outlining the zipper itself. A little pop in the nighttime. We'll show you the reflectives on the back of the jacket. Icon TPR logo here with mesh inlay for additional cooling. The perforated panel you see here, this is like a laser perfed, nylon textile fabric, right? So you get some abrasion and tear resistance, and it's perforated just like you would perforate a leather panel. In the forearm area, it has a double zip. It's finished behind here with mesh. That's another great way to bring air into the jacket, is with that double zip. Your hands are out on the controls in the wind. Open that up, it's just going to drive a bunch of air in there. Mesh panel here, laser perf there. Stretch fabric here to keep it comfortable. Plenty of adjustability with these arm adjusters, very easy to use. Give you a close-up look again at the back side of the coat. When I come back, I'll have the coat off. We'll take it apart and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, let's give you a look from the inside out now. Here is that removable quilted vest liner. It zips in, zips out. There are two snaps that you're going to find right in the armpit area as well. Please note there are pass-throughs inside the liner, so you're able to still access the storage pockets inside the jacket. D3O CE certified. This stuff is like magic, right? I mean, it's so moldable, flexible, comfortable. It's almost invisible in the coat, yet it manages a shitload of energy during an impact. Good stuff. There's the shoulder. There is the elbow and forearm piece. And here is the back protector. So you have yourself a complete package when you buy the jacket. No need to add on any additional pieces. As I said earlier, this is a hybrid piece. A lot of different materials used here. You can see that there is leather primarily in the sleeves and the shoulders, right? You see it here in the back, perforated here, that laser perf textile. Here's two reflective patches right here, both on the side. Okay, that's going to pop nicely from the back. Icon logo stitched on here. It's got like an external D3O badge. I'm really not sure why that's there, but okay. Motocross style volume adjuster for the waist found on both sides. Some reflective patches here. reflective around that locking zip. The pockets too, they're tall, right? These aren't really short pockets, so you're able to get your hand in there. I think even if you were wearing kind of a lightweight glove, you'd be able to still get your hand in and out of the pocket without having to pull the glove off. Some people like that feature. Motion panel here in the shoulder. I'm sorry, yeah, in the shoulder area. The sleeves, kind of a Raglan style sleeve. We've got a reflective insert there, Icon Moto logo. Motion panel here in the elbow is done in textile. Mesh, comfort lined cuff. Double zip as I showed you earlier, right? The fabrics are nice, they have a nice hand. This is really a fair price for this coat too, especially with all the armor that comes in it. The front of the coat, a nice close look at that Icon TPR detail with that mesh inlay. It looks really good. Comfort lined collar that actually feels really nice against the skin. They did a good job with that. Nice soft mesh inner liner. Zippered storage pocket here. Left breast, as always, is all the Icon jackets. This is going to have somewhere in here is that little stash pocket. It's going to have a St. Christopher medal in it. It's kind of a cool touch. They've moved that forward throughout all these seasons. Here is the back protector storage pocket right here. Just slides right in. It's a slip pocket. Storage pocket here. Storage pocket over here. Mirror image on the right side. If you're going to grab one of their pants, you're able to zip to the leather pants and attach and kind of get yourself a two-piece riding outfit. Icon makes great motorcycle jackets. If you like the way this looks, you're looking for that little slightly more relaxed fit in a nice sport riding package, this is a solid option for sure. My favorite part of the coat is going to be the fact that it comes complete with a full armor package. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you have a great experience with your next coat.